no strangers to love. You know the rules and so do I. So what I'm thinking of.
Ma, Joy, first of all, happy 6th and last anniversary as boyfriend-girlfriend. Pagpatuloy lang natin yung nasimulan natin for Tamtam, for our family. Thank you for loving me and taking care always of Tamtam. Naiyak ako.
Never gonna give you up, let you down. Won't run around, desert you. Never gonna make you cry, say goodbye. Won't tell a lie, hurt you.
This is it. Ito na ang pinakamatagal nating inaantay. Gusto ko sana magpasalamat sa'yo. Dumaan man tayo sa mga pagsubok, walang makakapaghiwalay sa atin.
Never gonna give you up, let you down. Won't run around, desert you. Never gonna make you cry.
Minsan, alam ko, mahirap, pero hawak kamay lang tayo palagi. Thank you and sorry sa lahat. Para sa akin, sobrang perfect timing ng araw na ito. Pagod man, masaya pa rin, dahil sa wakas, magiging isang ganap na pamilya na tayo.
Kaya kahit na nung panahon na kayo'y nakalimot na o wala ng oras para sa Kanya, hindi pa rin kayo iniwan ng Diyos. Naalala niya ang dasal ninyo sa the feast. Kaya nga on your lowest moment, ang ganda, nagpaalala si Lord nung hindi nyo na alam ang gagawin. Ang inyong ginawa, nagdasal kayo. Parang the feast times ulit. Yan ang dahilan kaya kayo nakarating ngayon dito sa inyong kasal.
Hey, have you ever tried really reaching out for the other side? Maybe climbing on rainbows, but baby, here goes. Dreams there for those who sleep.
Don't want a dramatic vows for us. Baka kasi wala pa tayo sa simbahan, mag-iyakan na tayo.
And if you're wondering what this song is leading to, I wanna make it with you. I really think that we could make it, girl. No, you don't know me well. And every little thing only time will tell. But you believe the things.
Tulad nga ng sabi ko sa'yo dati, kaya kitang mahalin, hindi lang basta fling-fling, but true love.
Life can be short or long. Love can be right or wrong. And if I chose the one I'd like to help me through, I'd like to make it with you. I really think that
sorry kung madalas tayong hindi magkaintindihan. And I understand dahil madalas di tayong pagod sa trabaho siguro. Yun lang mama, and the rest na pagdadaanan pa natin. Mahal, minahal at mamahalin pa kita habang buhay. I love you, mama.
Dreams there for those who sleep. Life is for us to keep. And if I chose the one I'd like to help me through, I'd like to make it with you.
Focus at tulungan lang tayo palagi para mabuo natin yung masayang pamilya na gusto natin. Lagi mo tatandaan na mahal kita. Ikaw lang sapat na.